Ep.3, the Pet Palooza. What an amazing day. After curing that poor little hamster in her leg accident and ring, 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 ring. Oh, my phone's ringing. Let me... Ring, 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 ring. Yes, hello? Really? Thanks. Bye. Oh my gosh, I got to tell Mia. Mia. They want to invite me to a pet thing. They want me to host it. Really? That's amazing. I'll keep an eye on here if we get any customers. Okay, bye, Mia. Let me... Guess I'll go on to the pet place and get my car. Woo! Let's get in. I better turn off the siren. So I'll sit down right here. Press click. Right. I never knew they wanted me to volunteer here. Oh, so many puppies. Hello. I wanted you to volunteer here. Oh, yeah, sure. Okay, I'll go and gather the pets. You can go backstage. Okay. Okay, everyone, you can go on the stage. I'll take the pets. Woof, woof. Bye, little puppy. Woof. Bye. Woof. Meow, meow. Woof. Meow. Come on, little pets. Okay, little petsies. I'm going to give you some food, okay? So, first up, it's going to be our little kitty. Here, take that. Good kitty. Now, I'll pull this back here on the backstage, and I'll place you on. Okay. Great. Let's get you on there. Meow. Sit, kitty. Sit. Meow. Meow. Silly kitty. Meow. Okay, let's get her back there. Oh no, the microphone broke. Look. Let me fix it. Okay, now I'll go and host it now. Okay, I'll be backstage. Okay, let me get my score up. Oh no, my wig fell off. Phew, nobody noticed. That was a close one. Okay, now I will host. Hello? Ow! That hurt. Sorry about that, everyone. Ooh, look, the show's about to start. Come on. Yeah. Ow, hit my head. Ow. So clumsy. Oh, I'm so sorry about that. Oh, it's okay. Gosh, this is going to be so exciting. I'm so clumsy. Okay, I think, ow. Welcome, everyone, and we will welcome our fierce, beautiful, and amazing cat, Dots. Meow, 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 meow. Wow, what an amazing performance. Okay, come on, my kitty. Next up, it's a fierce little dog. It's a brave little dog. He's very kind and loving. It is Chocolate. Ruff, 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 ruff. Aw, so cute. Goodbye, Chocolate. Ruff. Next up, we have our fancy poodle who's brave, bold, and energetic. Let's give it up for Nancy. Ruff, ruff, ruff. Ruff, ruff, ruff. Oh, bye, Nancy. Ruff. Next up, we will have a brave and bold little kitty come up on stage. Ready, everyone? It's Stripes. Goodbye, Stripes. Amazing performance. Last but not least, our very, very brave husky. Oh! Ruff, ruff. Aw, he's so brave. Ruff. Oh, he even did an amazing slide. I'll give it my own 10 for every single pup. Yeah, woohoo! Woohoo, super awesome. Next, we will have jumps with the pets. Let's see what they got. Ah, the microphone. Let me fix that. Okay, I've always wanted to try this. Woohoo! Fun! Okay, let's see these little pups do their tricks. Ow! So klutzy. Now, let's see. First, our brave and bold husky. Ruff, ruff, ruff! Amazing. Ruff, ruff, ruff! Amazing again. He is amazing. Let's pet him for a little bit. Pet, 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 pet. Good little puppy. Pet, pet, pet. Pet, pet, pet. Pet. Pet, pet, pet. Oh, what a sweet little puppy. So, now, after that, we will have our sweet and sensational cat. Ruff! Stripes. Tss. Meow, meow. Meow, 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 meow. Ooh, a little trip for her. I'll give it a 9. Amazing. Our next pup, Chocolate. Ruff! Ruff! Amazing. Now our poodle. Ruff! 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 Amazing. The double jump. She made it. Right. Meow, 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 meow. Meow! Oh, a flip jump. Amazing. Now we will have the swing. The seesaw, I mean. Silly me. Gonna get the pups on. Come on, little puppy. And the cat. See them seesaw. Boop, 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 boop. Amazing. Beautiful. Next up, our little puppy here and our poodle. Down, up, down, up. Ruff! Amazing, the flip off. Now our kitty will go with the human. The human, I guess, will stand and see how gentle you are. Let's get her on. Ooh, I'm so nervous. Woohoo! Wow! Ow! Silly kitty, you gotta be more gentle. Sorry, kitty, but I'll have to give you a 4 for that one. Wow. Okay, our winner today. Worked very, very hard. Let's get her out. Our winner is Snowball, the husky. Get you on our victory thing. Woohoo! Go little husky! Amazing. Oh, good job, my little husky. Wow, amazing. He will get our first place medal. But that's not all. We still have some more people who won. We will have someone in second place. All the medals aren't gone. So the owner can go with her dog. Ah! Oh my, tough fall. Woo, I'm dizzy. Oh my. Ow. Sorry. Oh wow. So dizzy. Oh, thanks, little dog. Okay. Number 2 on the list is our poodle. Let's get you on our victory stand. Woohoo! Amazing. The poodle can go off with her owner. Okay. Oh my goodness, little puppy. Let's get you your medal. Pull that off. Put it back on. And good. Next. Oh, I'm so dizzy. Now, we don't have a medal for third place, but we will have someone in third place. Third place pup is Chocolate. Going up on our victory stand. Roof, roof. Go on with your owner. Roof. The other 2 kitties, good job for competing. We're very proud of you. So for competing, we'll give you some treats. Roof. What an amazing day. Let me put this back up here real quick. Amazing. Thank you everybody for coming to watch our show. We're Stephanie and Lola. We hope you enjoyed the show. Ow.